Okay, so I have my background, which is crepe paper. I think it's not, but not my, that's my tablet, but not my, top light. So let's see. Layers down. And this is my great nephews making snow angels. In this snow. Making noises. I don't know what he's doing. Alright, so I'm going to use that word phrase as a photo. Am I using it as a photo mat? What am I doing? Okay, I'm going to layer them side by side. So the one I'm on is it's just a card because I don't think I can journal on that. So now for the die cuts. So snowflakes right there that I'm messing with is Hip Kit Club's exclusive die cuts or stickers. I use die cuts, which are from the crepe paper Snow and Cocoa. That burr card, and then I have some banners, which are cut from the crepe paper Snow and Cocoa called Hot Cocoa. So there's a few things I cut from that paper. Let's see, there's the banners. Just kept them as one. Oh my gosh, the people across from me, someone's honking their horn. They're going to get my Cocoa to bark. Oh, there's burr. Oh, so sorry. I thought it was the burr card. Oh, it's the burr and... No, it says burr card. So sorry. That burr sticker came from the same place as the snowflake. And then those star stickers that you see there, those are Hip Kit Club's exclusive stickers products as well. And then Snow is going to be using American Crafts doll stickers. And then Angel is going to be alphabet stickers that are exclusive to Hip Kit. Usually, sometimes get those every month in the kit. And then I pretty much am going to put down the star stickers, and then that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.